Hello, everyone. Welcome to another Ashtaware Pavement IME Design edition of the Designer's Corner. My name is Chadwick Becker with Applied Research Associates. Today, we're going to take a look at how to run designs using batch mode in Pavement IME Design. Batch mode is a powerful utility within the application that allows you to run dozens or even hundreds of designs via Amazon's cloud storage. Each tenant in PMED has up to 15 gigabytes of storage available in AWS, specifically for running batch and sensitivity designs. This allows for many more designs to be run and faster processing times. The batch editor, as well as sensitivity, has been updated to be more user-friendly and intuitive. In this video, we're going to walk through the process of running a batch of designs using the new batch editor and take a look at the batch output report. So first thing I'm going to do, I've signed into the application. I'm going to go to batches. And just a side note, batch mode is only available for the enterprise subscription, so educational users will not have access to batch mode. We see right away that it's very similar to the designs workspace. We have the batch workspace running batches and completed batches, just like we have designs workspace running designs and completed designs in the designs workspace. So I'm gone back to batches here. I'm going to click on create batch. We'll call this one test batch 1. This is a test batch for the description. And then we'll click create. And it's going to ask me for my test designs. So we're going to use these 5 designs right here. So I'll select those using Shift and then hit Open. And it's going to load those into the UI. We click on the batch bar here, and that'll expand. It'll show us the name, the description. We can edit both of those. And here we can remove designs or add additional designs to the batch. So I'm going to start this off running. And I've already run it once before. So right now we can see the designs are being uploaded to Amazon's S3 bucket for this tenant. And then once they've been uploaded, we'll see here under running batches, they'll start actually executing. So while those are uploading, we're going to go take a look at the output of a batch run. So once the batch run is completed, it's going to output a zip folder. It's going to have the name of your batch along with batch analysis next to it. And then you'll be able to pop that open. And you can see here we've got test 1 through 5. Those are the design files that are in the batch. And each one of these was just run sequentially. I think the production server can run up to 4 at a time. And you can see we've got a report output here, just like we normally would have for a regular design run. So really, batch mode is just a way for you to run a big series of projects. You'll be able to start the run, walk away from the machine, and then it'll process all of those designs for you. Also in the results, there's a summary report. So I'm going to pop that open now. And we can see here, we've got the individual designs and just the summary page from each one. And that's in the summary report for batch mode. So we can see all those here. All right, let's pop back over to the app and see how we're doing on the upload. So we've uploaded the designs, and now if I go to running batches, expand the bar, we can see it's actually completed the analyses. So those ran pretty quick. I think these are just 2-year designs. That's why that's running so quickly. And now what it's doing is it's actually uploading the results. So to run the design, it'll upload the results to S3, and then we pull down those results in pieces and aggregate them. That's what these you'll see these batch parts in your system, and that's what those are. If you have 50 designs, it's not going to grab them all at once. That's to avoid memory issues. It's going to grab them in parts. It'll pull those down and create a summary document, which is what we saw in the output. Yeah, so once this is finished up here, it'll compile the final report. That's the last step we see here at the bottom. And then it'll show up here under completed batches. And under completed batches, it'll let you download a zip file. It'll let you download the overall batch summary report. There's also a log file, so if anything went wrong with any of the designs in the batch run, it will show that in the log. And you can also delete the batch manually. We keep batches around for 5 days on the S3 buckets on your tenant. Then they'll be automatically deleted, and that's to ensure you always have space for running things like sensitivity and batch mode. So make sure you check back in on your batch run and download the results so that way they're not removed before you can get to them. So Today's video, we took a look how to run a batch of designs in Pavement IMI Design using the enhanced batch editor, which now uses Amazon's S3 service. We looked at how to view and understand the batch report. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please reach out to us at pavementimidesign@ara.com. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on the Designer's Corner.